Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta and you are watching Shweta's Beauty Vanity. And if you someone new here, hi, my name is Shweta. I do videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel related videos and many other good stuff on my channel. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please don't forget to click the bell notified button so that whenever I upload video next time you can get notified about it. So guys, in this video I'm going to share review of a very affordable product, affordable beauty product. Recently etereauty, I believe that is what it's called. They sent me this cosmetic glitter set. This is basically loose pigment eyeshadow powder set. They sent to me and they requested me to share my honest thought about this product. Then I thought, why not? If you are following me on my Instagram, Facebook and here on YouTube, you may know that I always talk about affordable good beauty products, being a budget beauty. So I thought this is the ideal platform to share my honest thought about this product with you guys. So guys, if you want to know details about this product, then please stay tuned and keep on watching this video. But before starting this video, I'm going to share a small disclaimer here. Although this product was sent to me, but the review which I'm going to share with you guys will be my honest thought. I'm not going to get any monetary benefits out of it, so it's not a sponsored video, so please keep that in mind. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this set comes with 4 classic colors of loose glitter powder eyeshadows, including blushing brown, silver, rose gold or pink and golden bronze. It also comes with a sponge eyeshadow brush, which I generally don't use that much, but you can definitely use to create different type of eye looks. The plastic container is basically made of acrylic material, which is mentioned in the website, and it's very easy to open and close, and I found it very travel friendly, and the texture is quite smooth. The swatches which you guys are watching in this video, it's absolutely dry swatch. When I was swatching these products, the eyeshadows, I didn't use any kind of medium or setting spray, and the pigmentation is definitely on point, and it's perfect for professional and personal use. Now let's create a look using these eyeshadows. Now as a transition shade, I'm going to use this Morphe Gemstones palette, and as my first transition I'm going to use this orange shade, and with a fluffy blending brush I'm going to deposit the same directly into the eye socket area like I'm doing here. Now to deepen up and to define the crease a bit further, I'm going to use this reddish shade from the same palette. So guys, for today's eye look I'm going to use these 2 loose pigments from the whole set. And first, for my inner eyelid I'm going to use this pink shade. And now when I work with this type of loose eyeshadow powder, I always prefer to use a damp brush, and here I did the same. And now after applying the pink shade for the center part of my eyelid, I'm going to use this bronze set like I'm doing here. Now it's time to apply the wing eyeliner, and with the help of this eyeliner pen, which is from Ico London, I am drawing a very thin wing liner. So for the lower lash line I'm going to use the same transition shade from the Gemstones Morphe palette, and in the same order I'm applying the eyeshadows. Now to brighten up the whole eye look, I'm going to use a highlighted shade to the inner tear duct area, and after that to highlight and to brighten up the brow bone area I'm going to use the same eyeshadow. Now to tight line and define my eye rim area, I'm going to use Jordana eye pencil, and onto the waterline I'm going to use the same eye pencil but halfway through. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like this look, and I really love using this loose eyeshadow powder. And now let's discuss my final thought about the product. So guys, now let's talk about my final thoughts about this product. I really love using this product guys, and I totally recommend this product to you guys. If you are a makeup lover, if you are a makeup junkie, or if you are a professional makeup artist, you can buy this product guys. And the main attraction of this set is it retails only for $12.99. This is amazing deal, and along with that I have a very special coupon code for you guys. By using this code, which is already mentioned in the screen, you are going to get 10% off of any products available in their website. So please don't forget to check my description box below if you want to purchase any beauty products or this product from their website. And I have similar products in my makeup collection, like this one from Colourpop. And if I compare etereauty with Colourpop products, so you can see how big it is. This retails for $6 I guess, and the whole set, the etereauty whole set, it retails for $12.99, and it contains 5 grams product and it contains 2.3 grams of product. So this is huge. So deal is amazing. So guys, you can buy this one. The pigmentation is on point. It's really long lasting. It lasted me for 6-7 hours, and after that the intensity was faded away, and that is very normal for any loose pigments. That is not an issue. And whatnot, you can use this thing multiple way, like in the website it's mentioned as you can use it in your body paints. If you are a professional makeup artist, you can use it in your body paints thing, and or if you like to do nail arts, you can use it as well. Using this whole set, you are going to make different type of eye looks, like subtle to smoky. I am giving it 9.5 out of 10 guys. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you guys found my tutorial helpful. It was a very short tutorial though. So guys, that's it for the day. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video next week. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.